We have great hopes for the incoming Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro because Google is recognized for making excellent Android smartphones. As the October 4th Built by Google event draws near, we're learning more about what the firm has in store for its upcoming flagship devices. With significant levels of alterations in design and the introduction of a brand new processor, there are numerous reasons to look forward to the Pixel 8 series. From substantial revamps to minor adjustments, let's dive into all the information we currently have about the Pixel 8 series. When it comes to smartphone reveals, there are leaks that trickle out unofficially, and then there are official renders that provide an authentic sneak peek. Google has given us a taste both. Feast your eyes on the inaugural official glimpse of the Pixel 8 Pro. These images are part of Google's tantalizing preview for its October 4th event, which was unveiled approximately a month ahead of the event itself. The video presentation also unveiled a first look at a fresh Pixel Watch and a corresponding new color option for the Pixel Buds 2. Both of which we anticipate will be unveiled alongside the new phones. Certainly, it's not only the official images that provide us with a glimpse of what's on the horizon the 4th of October. As is customary, Google had a slight mishap, and official images of the Pixel 8 Surface just in September was rolling in. A picture of the white Pixel 8 Pro inadvertently made its way into the Google Store, intended for Google Fi promotion. Rather than showcasing the Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro, it prominently featured a man holding the forthcoming yet-to-be-revealed flagship. A week later, another sneak peek of the Pixel 8 Pro emerged, and once more, it was an inadvertent release from an official Google website. This time, the Pixel Simulator website went live prematurely, revealing the phone in its sky, porcelain, and licorice color variants. What sets this leak apart is that it wasn't just a press image, it was a complete demo site. Google not only showcased the phone's appearance, but also highlighted its capacity to measure temperature and confirm the presence of a SIM tray. Moreover, the new design of the phone's screens appear to feature significantly more rounded corners, resembling the style of a Galaxy S23 Plus rather than the squared-off corners of the S23 Ultra. This design adjustment aligns with detailed rumors about the displays, which suggest that Google has increased the curvature radius substantially. Additionally, these rumors indicate that both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will offer enhanced brightness levels, reaching up to 1400 nits and 1600 nits respectively, when viewing HDR content. In contrast, the Pixel 8 is expected to feature a 120Hz display, potentially setting it apart from the Pixel 7a with its 90Hz panel. Furthermore, Google has equipped the Pro model with a flat 6.7 inches display, matching the screen style found on its smaller devices. In short, as the anticipation builds for Google's Made by Google event on October 4th, the excitement surrounding the Pixel 8 series is palpable to say the least. With official glimpses, leaks, and exciting design changes, these upcoming flagship smartphones are generating a significant amount of buzz. Google's commitment to innovation and their ability to adapt to user needs has fans eagerly waiting the next chapter in the Pixel story. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.